Welcome to another nice neighbor. Yeah, you have to let elderlies pass. Cross the road. That's a nice neighbor, but also
turn right.
It's a bit
Then
old
100 feet
neighborhood.
arrive at the destination on your left.
It's a bit old neighborhood.
In 100 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
Here you gotta be careful because it's so tight and lots of people are barking, and you don't wanna hit somebody's car. Oh, it's gonna be tricky to reverse here. It's gonna be really tricky. But guess what? Nothing impossible with 3 turn buoyants. This maneuver right now is called 3 turn buoyants, which is allow you to reverse in a very tight road. Alright, let's deliver this one. It's a parcel also. Box number 39. She's in the back. Which is this one. Alright, it says we are so far from delivery site, so we have to walk a little bit to go into delivery zone, and once we are in the delivery zone it's gonna turn green, and it is a house which is on the right, so it says that we have to continue right now. Ooh, house number 41, that's 43, which is this one. Yep. Let's go back to my car. This one is a bit far away. So this guy has to reverse here also. Press start.
Navigation started. A U-turn. Then at 200 feet turn left.
See, this guy is reversing. I have to terminate recording, guys, but see you in maybe, it says 4 minutes. It's not that far away. Alright.
In 700 feet turn right onto Lurgan Road. A26.
Let me keep recording because it says 4 minutes. I am gonna keep recording. So it's not far away.
Turn right onto Lurgan Road. A26.
It's very tight road. Look at these houses. What a nice Range Rover. It's my turn to go all the way in.
In a quarter of a mile turn left onto Leonard Road.
Nice weather for delivery. I like it. But I hope that I can keep recording while doing deliveries, but the problem is in this camera here I have 30% of battery right now.
Turn left onto Leonard Road.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. 30%.
In half a mile turn left to enter a private road.
Ooh, look at that road. I don't know if you are able to see it, but this is one lane road, or I don't know how to describe it, but it is very tricky road. So if somebody is coming, you need to do your best to either reverse or to let the person reverse first for you. And you can hear my car is struggling because it's uphill road. It's very, my car is driving in Ireland, driving in Northern Ireland is not for weak cars. See, this guy right now is gonna let me coming. Sorry, thank you. Up. Oh, that's good. No accident happened. If you have a weak car, or if you have a very bad car, an old car like mine, if you have an old car like mine, it's gonna be very tricky for you to drive in Northern Ireland. Look at this nice house. Very nice, very modern. Very nice, I like it. This is our destination here on the left. I think it's gonna be
600 feet, arrive at the destination on your left.
Look at this person, where does he live? He have a very long driveway. This is his land. All this is his land, I guess. I don't know, but I think it is his land because he have a very long driveway. Oh. All right, guys. I don't think the customer is home. Oh, they are home, but they are parking in the back. And they have a small dog. Oh my god, they have another dog, which is all right. This 89. Oh, yeah, 89. This one. No, that's the wrong one. Hi. Oops. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, just a second. All right, that's it. Yeah, they see, this is one of the things that we are struggling from as delivery drivers. Lots of people are living in the countryside, and that's why they have very big dogs. These people right now, they have a small dog. That's not a big problem, but lots of people, they have big dogs, and that's a very big problem for us as delivery drivers, because you need to deal with these dogs. Otherwise they are gonna, bite you. But to be honest, they have all the right to have this kind of dogs, because it is a matter of security for them. It is a matter of security for them right now. All right, let's go.
Navigation started. A U-turn on a driveway, then in 600 feet turn right onto Leonard Road.
This is the countryside of Northern Ireland.
Right onto Leonard Road.
Oops. The countryside of Northern Ireland, and which is gonna be hills and mountains. People are living in the mountains, and they have all these lands.
In half a mile turn left onto Lurgan Road.
All,
26.
all these lands are lands for them to... Oh, they have lots of cars. All these lands are lands for them to, to plant plants. They can plant plants here, and they don't need to to provide water for the land, because the water is coming from the rain, coming from the sky, from the clouds, so they don't have to struggle. In my home country, we have to plant lands, and also we have to bring the water for those plants, for the land. Ooh, now I don't see the car now is gonna be natural. It's gonna be natural. I don't have to spend any fuel. I just have to let the car roll down
Turn left
the
onto
road.
Logan Road, A26.
See, it is 10%. I'm gonna stop recording now. Oh, that's very shameful. I don't know. See you guys. I wish if I can record more.